Hi, this is J3. We are on October 18. Let's unboxing. We brought 10 product. Basically, it's from it's for motor driver. Let's see what we get inside this box with caution. Okay. There you go. Okay. Okay. This is what I've got. Let me see piece by piece. This one. Okay. A motor driver. Okay. A motor driver. I will see 28 BYJ48 5-volt DC. Okay, and the two driver for this motor right here. It's similar to this here. This is this one, a motor driver, and it's a stepper gear motor. And here is the stepper motor driver board, similar to this. Okay, let's see another product. Okay. Okay, let me show you piece by piece. This is, let me show you, age bridge motor, similar to this one from Spark Fun motor driver, 2 amperes dual 2L298 8 bridge. Let me see what is L9110, similar to this one. For motor driver, 12 VDC, 800 milliamperes per channel. We can use 2 motors right here. This one. This is, let me see, this one. It's a motor extension port, similar to this one, PCF 8574, remote 8-bit I/O expander for I2C bus. Okay, application: filters, servers, routers, computers, industrials, and etc. Good. Unboxing. This one. Yeah, this is a board. One, let me show you. This one. Display TM6038, similar to this one from Arduino code for display TM6031 module, similar to this one. We have buttons. Here's LEDs right here, and 7-segment display. Good. Let's see another product. There's 2, 3, and what's everything. Okay, 4. Let's see one by one. Okay, this is this product. It's a LCD, similar to this one display I2C communication. Let's show another one. Yeah, this is driver, similar to this one, TB6612FMG, a driver IC for dual DC motors. This one. Let me see another product. This is 60 channel analog multiplexer. 60 channel analog multiplexer. Okay, 60 channel analog multiplexers. Let's see another product. This one, it's a TSL2560. It's a light to digital converter. Okay, and that was my unboxing. I will work with this product in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.